Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have the file open and the frame selected. Now confirm constraints and locks so nothing moves unexpectedly. First, unlock any layers you need to adjust and set the frame's constraints to fixed or scale depending on intent. Once done, enable rulers and a layout grid to visualize the position. You're starting with a stable canvas, so subsequent steps apply predictably. Make sure objects inside the frame inherit the frame constraints before proceeding to pinning or prototyping. Next, decide whether elements need auto layout or fixed position when scrolling, because that choice determines behavior. If a header should stay put, enable fixed position when scrolling on that layer. For content lists, wrap them in a frame set to vertical scrolling in prototype. Once configured, switch to prototype mode and choose the correct scrolling behavior, vertical, horizontal, or none, then preview on device to watch interactions. This clarifies how pinned elements and scrollable groups interact in live testing. To finish, preview across breakpoints and adjust constraints per size so position stays consistent on smaller or larger screens. Make sure nested frames don't override parent scrolling. Inspect z-index and layer order if elements disappear or behave oddly. If you see jitter or misplaced pins, reset constraints on the problematic layers, reapply fixed position when scrolling, then re-preview. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle layer visibility to isolate the issue. Often a hidden or clipped parent frame is causing the unexpected movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.